Welcome back. So in this session I'll be discussing about workforce scorecard. Before getting into the topic, what we need to understand is to run any business we require 4 M's, that is man, machine, material and money. But many organizations, in spite of having these 4 M's, that is having excellent infrastructure, having best organization policies and structures and best people to work with, still they will not be able to achieve success. So, why is that? In spite of having all the forums, why if your organization cannot succeed or cannot motivate people to succeed? So, your workforce scorecard, this offers a framework which will help you measure what outcomes need to be expected from each department in the organization in order to achieve the objectives, and what outcomes are to be expected from each process in the organization. What kind of behavior is conducive for achieving organization objectives? What competencies are required in people to achieve organization objective? What kind of mindset and culture is required for workforce success? So this will tell you how to measure these things and how these things will have an impact on your overall achievement of the organization. But for any workforce scorecard to be of any use, first people must understand the metrics, and your metrics should be practical. So, what is practical? Being practical means it should be easy to use it. So, the first thing is it must have data which can actually be measured or collected. So, most of the times, what happens is when we are making decisions in the business, they're usually predictive. They happen through either intuition or guessing. So, that should not be the case. Any new conceptual scorecard or any new predictive modeling that you're building, you should make sure that, especially here in this workforce scorecard, you should make sure that the data is collectible and the data can be readily gathered and analyzed for further use. And the next thing is the scorecard must be easily understood throughout the firm. See, every employee need to understand what is happening and what kind of change will be brought soon. So every individual must know how the scorecard is used and what data needs to go in there. And the third one is the scorecard must be actionable. That is, the manager should be able to use the scorecard in order to improve the key business processes. And the last thing is the scorecard must be grounded in research, then cascaded. That is, the scorecard must be communicated in such a way that all the people in the organization should know about it, and even the lower level should know and work towards it so that it flows to the corresponding upper levels in the organization. And it should happen with so much research and data that has been scrutinized already. So it is not at all dependent on any guessing or uh, intuition. So any data that you're putting in scorecard should be of realistic.